People are asking, should I be buying precious metals, gold, silver? Where should I be going with what's happening in this current economy? And the question I want to ask you is, what is it that's got you feeling unsettled? And it probably has something to do, based on the people that we talk to, of what's happening with this aftermath of the election, impeachment, the stock market just continuing to blow up and go up and up and up, interest rates being down. There's a lot of these external pressures, the unknown with what's happening with some of our foreign policy, and people are looking for a safe place. I will tell you, most of the places, and now keep in mind, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you, the reason I'm going through this is to enlighten you to maybe another way of thinking. The reason people have a tendency, generally, to be attracted to gold and silver and those things is because traditionally, when I say traditionally, over the last hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of years, that was the safe place. If you had silver, that was money. If you had gold, that was money. And today, gold and silver, just like any other commodity, like oil and gas and grain and anything else, or a stock in a company or a bond or a CD, is just a place to put your money. And the value of it is not determined. So let's talk about gold, for example. Gold used to have a value because of what people would pay for it, because of what it could make, we could maybe produce into electronics and those types of things. Today, most of the things that gold was traditionally used for is you can do synthetically. So it doesn't have an actual physical intrinsic value that it had before. What it does have, though, is a perception of a value. But so does the US dollar. So does Bitcoin. So does the price of fuel oil, or the price of gas. All of these things have a perception of a value, and that perception of the value creates a value relative to the value of everything else. So when gold goes up, the reason it goes up is people think, I would rather have my money in gold than have my money in the bank. Or I would rather have my money in gold than have my money in some cryptocurrency. Or I would rather have my money in gold than have it in some stock in some company. Because my perception is, if it's in gold, it's more stable. And that's not necessarily true. Just because it's in one particular investment doesn't mean it's stable. Just because one company has done extremely well doesn't mean it's going to do extremely well. A classic example that we talk about many times is GE. Remember GE? We bring good things to light or to life, whatever it is. Well, GE has gone down significantly in value. It's not what it used to be. Kodak is the same way. Toys R Us is the same way. You can think people are always going to buy toys. People are always going to take pictures. People are always going to want innovation. Well, those companies have gone by the wayside. Years ago, you thought the value was gold. GE, why would you not put your money in GE? Look at how it's gone up. Why would you not put your money in Amazon? Why would you not put your money in Tesla? Why would you not put your money in Apple? It's the way of the future. And then along comes, what is that new company that does the YouTube stuff? Is it? Rumble. Then along comes Rumble and says, here's another avenue. You guys don't like the way things are happening? Here's another avenue. Well, depending on how many people go over there, they're coming from somewhere. You can only watch one thing at a time. So if their attention is going someplace else, it's going someplace else. Just like gold, silver, and all of these other things. In summary, here's the message. Things will come in and out of popularity. And the best way, if you wholeheartedly believe in gold, is moderation. Because if you put all of your eggs in one basket, then as gold goes, so goes your portfolio. And same as everything else. So the message is, be careful, invest wisely, invest prudently, and people win big when they take big risks. And if you're a big risk taker, maybe that's the risk that you want to take. But if you're looking for stability and moderation, then you want to choose investments that create stability and moderation. Let's go.